everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Shein account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in shein.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Shein. From here you'll be able to shop various products online. You'll be able to shop for women, men, kids and babies. Also you'll be able to shop the dresses, tops, etc. So if you want to create your account, it is actually very simple. At top right corner of this interface you'll be able to find various icons over here. Simply hover over this account icon. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, sign in or register. Now you'll be led to the sign in or register interface. From here you'll be able to register for your account. You'll be able to find various methods to register for your account. You can either register with mobile number or email address, or you can also continue with Google or Facebook. So simply click on the registration method of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. If you also want to do that, click on the field of mobile number or email address. Now enter the email address over here. Once you enter the email address, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to create a password for yourself. So simply click on the field of password and create a very strong password for yourself. Your password must contain 8 characters minimum, at least 1 letter and at least 1 number. So simply create the password accordingly. Now after you create the password, you can also select the style preference. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the options of your choice. After you do that, what you have to do is simply check on this box. I would like to receive exclusive offers and the latest news by email. But if you do not want to receive the email, you can simply skip it. Now after you do that, simply click on this option, register, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here your registration has been successful. Now your account has been created. So that is how you create Shein account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.